As always, welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good morning. I hope your day is going absolutely amazing. I've got an ultimate day for you today on the channel. You know we like everything that goes fast, so stay tuned, guys. I've got a great show coming your way. Sit back, relax. I'm gonna get a quick gym workout in, then we're gonna ride. All right, so let's get this done Big Vern style. Hey, fellas, remember, working out builds muscle. Muscle builds confidence. Confidence rules the world and turns average into greatness. Let's get this money. Let's go. All right, so let's jump on these front shoulders. We're gonna really put a load on these today. We're gonna warm up here with the 75 pounders, and then we're gonna go 12, 10, 8, and we're gonna increase that weight every set. All right, so let's break these biceps down and fill them up with blood with these concentration curls, guys. We are gonna knock out 3 sets. We're gonna go 20, we're gonna go 16 and 12. We're gonna increase that weight, and then I am sprinting to that straight bar. We're gonna continue to fill those biceps up. That first set's gonna be 20 reps. Second set's gonna be 16. That last set's gonna be 12. We'll keep increasing that weight. So let's not forget about that chest and tricep area. We're gonna knock out these heavy machine flies, and we're gonna superset that with 20 push-ups in between each set. We're gonna go 20 reps, 16, and 12 to finish it out. Then we're gonna scream straight over to the straight bar, and we're gonna burn those lats out with as many as you can do to failure for 3 sets. Fellas, this is really gonna give you a great burn. Working out is not for everybody, but everybody out there has been blessed with a talent. Never underestimate yourself and go get it. All right, so welcome back. Today got a great one. Today just got a new package in the mail. Hey, by the way, am I the only person that gets excited when I order something in the mail and I can't wait to see it? So here we go. You see, I got the Amazon package. It's a big one in the mail today. All my truck guys, where you at right now? We're about to open it up and see what we got. All right, fellas, so as you see what we got, let's zoom in. Got those seat covers today for the Ram pickup truck. You guys can check that out. I'm gonna drop a link of where we got this from. But dudes, these are sweet. Check it out, they're gonna match the truck crazy. These are the headrests. This is the front. Did not get the rear. Reason why, don't use the back seat a lot, so we're just gonna go with the front 2 seats. We're gonna install these and see what they look like. I'm gonna drop a link on Amazon where I got these from. Hey, wish me well. Let's hope these things turn out good. All right, fellas, as I said always, the purpose of the channel is to always show you another way, budget friendly, to get things done. So let's zoom inside the car from the driver's side, and I'm gonna go super slow. You guys remember in my last couple videos ago, we put in the steering wheel cover custom. I dropped the link. Guys, if you wanna know where I got that from, let me know. I will definitely drop it again, but you can see how that plays off those seat covers. Now you can jump up. You can see the headrest looks really good, fit on there really tight. The seats are nice and snug, and I'm gonna take my time and go in there, and you can see really how snug that fits along there and along the front too. Really nice and snug along there. So this is just an alternative to show you that you can bling your car out on a budget. Now these cost about $120. Now guys, look at that. Drop me something in the link below. Let me know what you think about these seat covers. I think they look really, really good. Plays off the whole truck and keeps everything nice and tight. All right, fellas, I hope you enjoyed that right there, that tip, and hopefully it'll help somebody get that car ready for the summer, get you looking right. Hey, guess what? You saw the couple videos ago, you saw we sold that 2012, that sweet ass 2012 customized Street Glide. It is time to get back out here and get on another search for our next bike. Let's get it done, YouTube. Let's go. So let's get this motorcycle search off the right way. I'm gonna do my research. I'm gonna find a few private owners. We're gonna set up some visits. Also, we're gonna check out Harley Davidson. So let's check out this first private owner. This is a 2015 Road Glide. I am loving the color. I am also loving the blacked out kit on the side, as you'll see in just a second. I am also really loving the air breather. However, fellas, you cannot go off looks. Upon further inspection, we found that this bike had major issues. Definitely do your homework. Next up, we're gonna head to Harley Davidson. There's always crazy energy and excitement when you enter Harley Davidson. And speaking of excitement, check out this 2019 CVO Street Glide in the classic orange and black Harley Davidson colors. Loving that blacked out engine as well as that crazy seal on that exhaust. Guys, you see this bike is on point. Then we're gonna switch over to that red line red Road Glide, looking so crisp and clean. Guys, I am really loving the new design on this bike, and hopefully this could be the one I can take home. All right, fellas, it is time to put a wrap on this video. I am whooped today. Just got back from bike shopping. Man, it is crazy. We are going to find that great bike, and you are gonna come with me. It's out there. Guys, hey, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. Show me some support on the channel so I can keep knocking these videos out and getting this great content to you. Until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace.